In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate drawio connectors in Atlassian Confluence. Animating connectors is a great way to show movement, direction, or data flow in your diagrams, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, open Confluence and navigate to the page that contains your draw.io diagram. Click the diagram to open it in the editor. You'll want to make sure you have permission to edit both the page and the diagram so your changes can be saved and shown to everyone who visits the page. Inside the draw.io editor, click the connector line you want to animate. You'll know it's selected when the endpoints and the line itself highlight. If you'd like to apply the same animation to all connectors in your diagram at once, open the Edit menu and choose Select Edges. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus E or Command plus Shift plus E on a Mac. You can also hold Shift and click to add or remove specific connectors from your selection if you want a subset. Look to the right-hand side for the Format panel. Make sure you're on the Style tab. If you don't see the panel, expand it from the sidebar or use the Format panel toggle so those styling controls are visible. With your connector or connector selected, find the option labeled Flow Animation and check the box. You should immediately see a subtle moving pattern travel along the line. This indicates the animation is active. To fine-tune how the animation looks and behaves, expand the Properties section beneath the Style tab. Here you can adjust the dash pattern to control the appearance of the moving segments, set the speed to make the motion faster or slower, and choose the direction so the flow travels forward or backward. A practical tip: pick a speed that's readable but not distracting, and keep the dash style consistent across related connectors so your diagram feels cohesive. When you're happy with the preview, click Save and Exit. This updates the diagram on your Confluence page, and the animated flow will now appear to viewers. If you applied the animation to multiple connectors, double-check the page to confirm the direction and speed communicate your intended workflow or data movement clearly. That's all there is to it. Open your diagram, select the connector or all connectors, enable flow animation in the Style tab, fine-tune the properties, and save. If the animation doesn't show right away on the page, refresh your browser to load the newest version of the diagram. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your Confluence diagrams to life with animated connectors.